Hello YouTubers, I'm here today to show a repair on a Golden Technologies lift chair remote control. What we found here, this is my mother-in-law's chair, is that the remote, like this, seems to lose power every now and then, and the only way to get it to work is to push the bottom, and there it goes. Push the bottom in and then it'll work in the up or down as long as you hold it in there. So let's do it again. All right, see, you got to push the bottom into the remote. So I'm going to take it apart and see what we find. Okay, so on the back of the remote there are 4 Phillips head screwdrivers. I have a little #1 Phillips head screwdriver that I'm using to take out the screws in the back. I've already taken one out the top. I'll just put them up here. And what has been happening is that this connector, what happens is these wires pull into here and pull this connection out. So this needs to be, I've done this before on this connector and it keeps coming out. You need to push this back in like that is how it's supposed to be. And I've done that a couple times. I've putting it back together and it keeps coming apart. So to fix it for good, I'm going to use a bread tie and put it around here to hold these 2 pieces together. Well, first off, I pulled the wires out of this casing here to give some slack, to try and so that it wasn't pulling so hard. But now I'll go around this way, kind of come in between some of these wires just so it has something to grab onto. Make sure it is grabbing. So there we go. So now I've got not just the little clip, but now I've got a mechanical wire that twists these together. Push that down like this. Okay, that piece goes in there like that. There we go. And we put it back together. And voila. So if you're having problems with your Golden remote and the lights keep going on and out, going on and off, it's probably a problem with that connection down in the bottom. Just take it apart, push them together, and somehow, like I did with the bread ties, try and secure them so they don't come apart again.